Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be playing with some chrome powders that I bought off of Aliexpress that are made by Yayoge. I purchased 4 colors. That's what we're going to be playing with over black nails. I have already put on here a base coat, which is by Princess Nails by Diana. She has got her first line out, so check her out. Again, Princess Nails by Diana. I will put up in the middle of the screen her name so you can do a search for her channel, and if you want to check out her polish line, maybe even order it. I know she's coming up with her fall collection as we speak. So we're going to dive into this. Sorry for all the noise. We're going to go with the green first. Isn't that pretty? I think that's really pretty. Really dark emerald green. Oh, look, ooh-wee. Can you see that? They don't give you a lot. And you don't need a lot. It's your makeup applicator, your eyeshadow applicator, whatever you want to call it. And buff this baby on. I have had these nails sitting for a while. They're not fresh out of the lamp. So I'm hoping they're still going to adhere. That's just beautiful. Just beautiful. I think that is really, really gorgeous. Nice emerald green. Whoops. We're going to set this one out to the side. We will top coat later. We will do all of them at one time. Put your lid back on so you don't spill it, because we know me. I'm going to save the purple for last because it is my favorite color. Yeah, I should have taken these out of the packages earlier and saved us all in the noise. Really sorry about that. Trying to tap down the powders. Oh, I can't get this one open. This is great. Okay, here we go. My fingers were up too high holding it. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, that was close. That was oh so close. I almost spilled it. Look at that. Once again, these are by Yayoge. I got these off Aliexpress. I don't have the link for them though. You would have to go on there. You can either go to the official store. You can do a search for Yayoge chrome powders. These are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how it transforms that black nail into this. Really nice. Try and wipe this off some. Be very careful. These pods are, you know, the bottom is, yeah. Next, I am going to do the red. Is it right there? Oh, I have such a hard time opening these. I'm gonna pause this, and when I get this open, I'll be right back. Okay, have the cap of the red one loosened. I've not taken it off to look at it yet. We'll look at this together. Oh, look at that. Look at how dark, luscious red that is. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I just want to stick my finger in there and play. This is gorgeous. I really, really like this one. Really like this one. Definitely see me wearing this at Christmas. Yup. Definitely see me wearing this at Christmas. Look at this. Look at that one. Look at how beautiful red that is. It is just gorgeous. Oh, wow. I'm just in love. I'm so happy I bought these. I really, really am. Hope you're digging these. You're checking them out. If you have them, let me know. If you don't, head over to Aliexpress. Check out the official Yayoge store. They are, what were they listed as? Yayoge chrome powders. I got, oh wow. Look at that. See, purple's my favorite color, but oh my god, look at that. Oh, I just want to play with that. Oh lord. Where was I? The official Yayoge store. You can do a search for Yayoge products, Yayoge chrome powders, however you want to get there. They come in these little pots. There's, the bottoms upraised. They got these, they're not too deep. They weren't, I'm a girl on a budget. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to put that out there right now. I have said that on my channel from day one when I started it. I have a video on it from the very beginning, like girl on a budget, and that's all I'm about. I need my nail products, and I need them at a lower cost. I cannot afford financially to be paying top dollar for things, so I hate to say that, to put that out there, to put my business out there, but I'm all about trying to get the most what I can for my buck. There's nothing wrong with that. So I used to shop Wish, which it's okay. But then I discovered Aliexpress, and I don't know. That's where I shop. That's my best friend. Aliexpress is just my best friend. That's all I can say. That's where I shop. That's where I buy my products. It's cheaper. You get them for pennies on the dollar. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with trying to get, the most for your money. There's nothing wrong with that. I have no shame there. You shouldn't either. Probably got way too much powder out here than what I need. It's just all over my finger. Oh, purple finger all day long if I don't wash it. Well, you know what I mean. I will definitely be washing my finger. There is my purple. Look at that. Whoops. That's just gorgeous. All these turned out really, really nice. I'm like so pleased with them. The products, they are really great quality. I give Yayoge 2 thumbs up on their products. I've not had like a bad product from them yet so far, and I hope I don't. But we're going to top coat now with Princess Diana's No Wipe Top Coat. And then we'll pop them in the lamp for 60 seconds. I don't know if I should give them a quick brush off with my big brush. There we go. I should give them a nice, luscious top coat. Oh yeah, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Don't forget to cap the end of your nails, ladies. I know these are fake nails, but it don't matter. Cap. Oh, look at that. Cap the end of your nails. Now that silver looks like a gunmetal gray almost. Look at that. Whoops, sorry, I wasn't in frame. Look at that. This one here. That's just gorgeous. Top coat really changes the color of our nail. Oh yeah. You see that, ladies? Fellas? I know I got some fellas out there that do nails. Chase, you do nails. Who else is out there that's a dude that does nails? I know they're out there. Chase is a new friend of mine. Really nice dude. Really great to talk to. Has some really cool videos. Check him out. Oh my god, what's his channel name? Chase M. Oh my goodness. Try to give you a shout out and I can't think of your channel name. Look at those. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to pause, pop these in the lamp, and I'll be right back. Oh, sorry about the hobble and the bobble. We have it top coated, cured, and look at how beautiful those are. It's hard to pick a favorite. I mean, purple's my favorite color. This red is just stunning. And this green too. I love them all. So yep, I got these at Aliexpress for less than $1 a piece. Check that out. Can't beat that deal. Can't beat it at all. So yeah, this is my little video for today. Hope you like. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you were here. Especially if you're new. You know, we can have some conversation, get to know each other. And please subscribe and click that bell. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Thank you.